This video shows you how to transfer music files to your watch via a Mac computer. First, make sure you have Garmin Express application software installed on your computer. If not installed, you can download and install it from the Garmin official website. For any queries, you can refer to the installation tutorial video for Garmin Express. Next, connect your watch to the computer using the provided USB cable. Open the installed Garmin Express application software. Select your device. If it's your first connection and you don't see your device, select Add Device and follow the instructions to add it. Once inside, make sure your watch is connected at the top. Next, open the built-in music on your Mac. In the left database list, you can find the music on your computer. It's recommended to create a playlist first. Right-click on the playlist and select New Playlist. After naming it, drag and drop songs into the list. Right-click to remove songs. You can drag songs to rearrange them or add new songs. Return to Garmin Express and go to Music. iTunes library at the top left represents the music files on your computer. In Playlists, check the playlist you created earlier. Click Send to Device at the bottom to start transferring music. After the transfer is complete, you can browse the list of music currently on your watch below. You can also select songs to remove them from the device.